As you can see in this video, those characters are in outlined font. We have many other options for the characters. We have the single-lined characters, barcode, and the dot font. You can click the font in the left column to choose a different type of the font. We can click the T button and click in the main screen, then enter the date in that TXT. This is the single-lined characters. We can also change the font design for those characters. There are many options. Also, the outlined characters, you can also change the font design. We can also make the outlined characters become the solid characters. We click the filling, click the enable and line. Change the line number. The number more small, it will mark more deep. The number big, it will mark light. Then click OK. If you want to delete the fillings, you just choose these characters first. Then click the delete in the end. Now we can set the marking parameters. We normally change the speed and the power. The speed number more big, the marking performance is more light. The speed is slow, the marking performance is more deep. The minimum speed is 10. You can start with 500 first. The power setting is from 10% to 90%. We normally set it to 50% or 30%. The low percent of the power can make the using time of this CO2 laser print longer. So in the beginning, we normally use the power like 30%. The frequency is 20. Normally, we don't change that number. We only need to change the speed and the power. We choose all the content, then click the red light. You can also click the FE button in the keyboard. Switch on the air purifier machine. This is the optional device. You can also use the fan to make the smokes go to another directions. This air purifier machine is to protect the field lamps, the mirror. If after a long time using, you can use the alcohol wipe to clean the field lamps. Then we go back to the computer, click the mark next to the red light. As you can see, the machine is started to work, and you can also see the smokes produced while in the marking. This is why we need the air purifier machine. If you want the marking performance more deep, we can change the speed. We make the speed small, 200, and enlarge the power. We change to the 80. We choose the middle content and click the select mark. Then when we click the red light, you can only see the red square for the middle content. Then click the mark. Now you can see if we change the speed and the power, the marking performance is different. This one is more deep and dark. We can also click the FE button in the keyboard to show the red square, and click EXC to cancel the red square. Then click the F2 to start the mark. This is the easy way to mark or show the marking area. When you finish marking the content, you can switch off the software. You can save the file for the next time, or you can just drop it. After we save the file, we can switch off the marking software. Then you can see the saved content on the main screen. Click it and you will see the marking content. Then click the power switch. We switch off the computer first. Then click the red light. Wait for 3 seconds. The laser, the vibration, and the power. The last one is the main switch. This is the right way to switch off the machine and put the protect cover on the field lamps. Switch off the air purifier machine. How to mark the company logos? First, we click the C card. Then we click the second button under the T button, draw the files. We click that and find the file we saved in the computer. Normally, this kind of file are in PLT format. We can click the Show Previews to see the logos. Then click the Open. We can use our mouse to change the size of this logo to make it big or small and move it to the center. The logo right now are in outlined font. We can also fill in these logos. Click the Fill In, that button. Make sure there is a tick in front of the Enable and the line. Click OK. Now you can see the logo is like in the solid way. Please be aware the line number, if it is more small, the marking performance will be more deep. You can also delete the fill in. Please ref the way that the video shows. It is in the end of the left column. Click the red light or F1 button in the keyboard. You will see the marking area. This size will be the printing content size. Now we can fill in the logo. The fill in parameters setting, you can change it in here. The fill in reference parameters, you can change it in the right columns. Change the marking speed and the power. Click the F1 button to show the red square. Click the ESC to cancel the red square. Click the F2 to start to mark. We can move the air purifier machine head close to the field lamps. You can see that all the smokes are absorbed to the machine during the marking progress. This is the logo that we just entered. If you don't know how to make the logo font, you can let us know. We can make it and send to you.